Thanks for joining us for our LinkedIn how-to presentation. Overall, the goal of this presentation is to help you have a better understanding of how to use LinkedIn in a way that's beneficial for both you and the company. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into an overview. In this tutorial, we will discuss these high-level topics. Why is LinkedIn so important for your company? How employee advocacy can help support your company's mission? How is LinkedIn helping companies similar to yours? Company followers versus employee reach. And we'll dive deeper on the remaining topics, LinkedIn at a glance, and how to share a company post, build a network, and link your profile to your company page. Why is LinkedIn so important? Content sharing on social media is a key strategy to drive website traffic. Researchers have compiled some interesting statistics on the subject. In terms of leads, 80% of business-to-business leads that come in through social media are through LinkedIn, as opposed to other platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, etc. Of all social media website referrals, 46% originate from LinkedIn. Other marketers agree about the importance of LinkedIn, with 92% surveyed reporting that they use the platform above all others. We have certainly found this to be the case with our clients. Why is employee advocacy so important? In this tutorial, we teach the basics of LinkedIn so that you, as an employee, can advocate for your company with your personal network. There is data showing that this is very important, and I'm sure you'll find these statistics to be true in your personal life. If friends or family say that a product, service, or company is great, you're much more likely to believe them than if you simply got the information from an advertisement. 84% of consumers value recommendations from friends and family above all forms of advertising. 77% of consumers are likely to make a purchase after hearing about it from someone they trust. 76% of consumers say they're more likely to trust content shared by their network versus content shared by brands. Employees have an average of 10 times more connections than brand channels. Leads developed through employee social marketing convert 7 times more frequently than other types of leads. So in a nutshell, your company needs you. Please help by advocating through LinkedIn. It will make a big impact. How is LinkedIn helping companies similar to yours? The data on the previous slides was generalized to all B2B companies. What kind of results could your company hope to achieve? Of total monthly website traffic, on average, 5% comes directly from LinkedIn posts. This translates to 80 or more website visits per month. We have seen monthly spikes of up to 15%, translating to more than 250 unique website visits per month. These numbers are taken directly from results our other clients have experienced. This data is for your industry with similarly sized companies. This traffic is high quality and has produced many leads and ultimately projects for the client. Here is an example of expanding post reach by sharing. Your company has a great base of followers. The message can expand even further, possibly by a factor of 10, if employees share the company post. If your company has 1,973 followers, that is theoretically the maximum number of people who could see a post, excluding engagements. But if each of your 100 employees shared the post to their 200 connections, the potential audience grows to nearly 22,000. LinkedIn at a glance. Next, we will dive into the details of how to go about achieving these results, and we will start with a general overview of LinkedIn's features. LinkedIn homepage. This is a screen you see when you first log into LinkedIn. At the top center, you can share an update with your network. Use this part of LinkedIn to share your unique post. You can also share photos, videos, links, etc. Below that is your news feed. This will consist of updates from people in your network and pages you follow. You can scroll down to see additional posts. This is where you can engage with content by actions such as clicking like, writing a comment, or sharing a post. Engaging with content relevant to you or your company will help increase your visibility to your connections on LinkedIn. In other words, the more active you are, the more you will show up in the news feed of your connections. LinkedIn network page. This is what you see when you click on My Network in the top menu bar. Here you'll find various ways to increase the size of your network. In the center, you see the Connection Manager. Use the Connection Manager to accept or ignore connections. Rule of thumb for LinkedIn connection requests: while you want to build your network, it is important to make sure the connection requests you're accepting are meaningful contacts. Don't feel obligated to accept all requests, especially if they're coming from people in different areas, industries, or professions, or from recruiters. Below the Connection Manager are suggested connections that LinkedIn has found for you. LinkedIn generates a People You May Know section based on your current connections. Use this to connect with more people you know and build your network. On the left side is the Contact Importer. Use this to connect with more people using your email contacts. We'll have a how-to on this topic in a later slide. LinkedIn Messaging Page. This is what you see when you click on Messaging in the top menu bar. This page is very straightforward. We just wanted to touch on it briefly. In the upper left, you can compose a new message or group conversation to any of your connections. Depending on your subscription type, you may be able to send messages to a certain number of people outside of your network. The messages you create here are private messages, and the recipient will be notified by email that you've reached out to them. Below that is the message feed, where you can see past conversations. You can scroll through past messages and receive new ones here. This is where someone may reach out to you for more information regarding your company. LinkedIn How-To. Next, we show you how to share a company post, how to build a network, and how to link your profile to your company's page. How to share a company post. First, navigate to the company's page. Make sure you're following the company. If you see the blue Follow button, click on it. Find the Updates section in the center column. Scroll down to choose which post you would like to share and click the Share button. Alternately, you can click the three dots menu in the upper right-hand corner of the post and choose Copy Link and manually paste it into an update. Leave the drop-down set to Share with Anyone. Under your profile icon, type in whatever you would like to say about the post. If there's nothing you would like to add, you can leave the section blank. Click Post and you're finished. This post will now go into the newsfeed of all your connections, greatly amplifying its exposure. If you would like to view this post or your other LinkedIn activity, go to the Me drop-down menu and choose Posts and Activity. In the center of the screen, you can see your posts and other activity, such as comments, etc. How to build a network. There are several ways to build a network. You can organically search for connections by name, name plus company, or email address. When you find the person you're searching for, navigate to their profile page and click the Connect button. LinkedIn will give you the option to add a personal note to the invitation, which can be used as a reminder of how you met. You can also make connections using the automatic email contact importer. This function does not automatically connect with everyone in your address book. You choose who to send invitations to. Navigate to the My Network tab. In the left-hand column, find the Contact Importer and click Connect. Add your email address and click Continue. Once you click Continue, you'll see a list of possible connections. You can leave all of the names checked, or you can select specific people to connect with. When you're done making your selection, click Add Connections. Here are some additional tips on building your network. In the My Network tab, LinkedIn generates a People You May Know section. This is a great place to find more people you would like to connect with to build your network. Follow any companies or organizations closely associated with your company or personal career. For example, you might follow CSAA, Siemens, Rockwell Automation. Once you follow their pages, their posts will appear in your newsfeed. Engaging with these posts will increase your visibility to your network. Engage with posts put up by your connections. Like, comment, share, etc. This will help increase your visibility on LinkedIn and drive up traffic to your own posts. Please make sure to observe company confidentiality regarding client names and contacts. If you see the name of the company in question on your company's website, then it's a public relationship. If not, Check with someone in management before making this client or connection public in case there are privacy concerns. How to link your profile to your company's page. It is important to link your profile to your company's page so that when people view your profile, they will also have the opportunity to easily navigate to your company's page. Here's a few reasons this is important. One reason is that your company icon will now be displayed within your profile under the Experience section. Also, LinkedIn users will then be able to view all company employees and you'll be included in that list. Finally, LinkedIn users will be able to more easily navigate to the company page using links from your profile. Here's how to link your profile to the company page. Navigate to your profile page. From the Me drop-down, choose View Profile. Scroll down to the Experience section of your profile and click Edit, which is the pencil icon. Under Company, type in the company name and make sure you select the correct page in the drop-down menu. Don't forget to click Save. An advanced tip, leave the Share with Network button set to On so that your profile changes show up in the news feeds of your connections. Ta-da! You are now a LinkedIn professional.